Today is all about Relever. Again, we have a different spelling. There is an R at the end, which tells us it's to raise or to lift. This is the point where you're rising up, you're lifting your heels, and you're finding more elevation and suspension within your body. Again, these terms do not just apply to ballet. Reason it's important to understand what they mean when we translate them, because if you're doing tap or jazz, all of these terms apply. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about your next word. I will see you then.